Hi, I'm Jane Gates. I'm the owner and designer for Gates & Croft Horticultural Design, and I'm the author of my new book, All the Garden's a Stage. It's all about getting good, sustainable gardening and having fun doing it and having fun reading about it. It's not a boring book. So anyway, that's not why I'm here, is it? No. I'm here to talk about ideas for mulching a garden bed. And that's why I'm sitting on a raised garden bed right now, because we're talking about mulching a raised garden bed for that point. Well, there are all kinds of ways of mulching a raised garden bed, to tell the truth. It depends on the kind of look you want. If you want a woodland kind of look, you might want to shred up some leaves or use bark. That gives you a nice feel. Or perhaps if you want, say you've got a cactus garden and you've got it in this raised bed, but you want it to look kind of tough and, heat tolerant and sun loving. So another great thing to use would be stones or gravel. Not only do they look good, but they help the soil drain real fast, which works well for cacti and succulents. So there are a lot of materials you can use to mulch a raised garden bed. And if you're planning on growing a raised vegetable bed and growing tomatoes or strawberries, you might want to use red mulch. And this is actually a red plastic fabric, and it helps the plants fruit better. They grow well. And some people say yay, some people say nay, but from what I've seen and my experience, go for it. It helps them grow and fruit better. And that gives you some idea of the kind of mulches you can use for a garden bed. And that's a raised garden bed, or actually you can use it for any kind of a garden bed. And if you want to have more information, I've got lots on landscape design and on gardening at www.gardengates.info.